So, hello guys! In this video, I will share to you kung paano ilipat yung GCash account mo from the old phone to the new one. So, let's get started. First, open your GCash app. Mag-login ka. And dito ka na ngayon sa dashboard ng GCash mo sa home. So, i-click mo ang profile. Andito ka sa profile. Click mo ang settings. Click mo ang account secure and then ito, my registered phone. Current phone ko is itong Oppo. So, i-unregister mo muna ito. Click mo. And then, yes, unregister. So, ito lang mag-face detection muna ako guys. Next natin. And now, okay na. You have unregistered this phone. Okay, pwede na tayong pumunta sa second phone kung saan natin ililipat yung GCash account. So, this is my new phone and ito may GCash na dito. Lagyan natin yung GCash na. And then, send code. Ito natin ang code. And register his phone. Selfie ulit. And congratulations! Account secure pa na. And go to dashboard. So, dito. And hindi rin nawala yung amount. Yes. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching.